guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Good Body Magazine Pai channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the most common comment and question that I've been getting from few days, and I feel like I really want to make a video on this topic. It's all about how to getting paid on the Jazelle, because people are confused. Someone is asking whether PayPal is there, Payoneer is there, bank transfer is there, do they need to fill the W8BE and form, how to do it. They are really confused about the Jazelle payment method as a designer. So I'm going to be covering important things about these payment, getting paid out from that, a detailed video about payment from the Jazelle. So let's get started with that. Before we go to consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. When we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out all the freebies that we have, and it contains a full commercial license so you can use it. Now, talking about the payment designer option. Now, I have made a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with the Jazelle, opening up a shop, adding the various details, adding the products. I'm going to leave that complete tutorial in the card section above. You can check it out if you haven't checked it out. And if you want to know how to get started with the Jazelle, opening up the shop and adding the products and various details regarding it. But here I'm going to be specially covering about the payment option, because the people are getting really hard about, they don't know how to do it, and they're really confused about it. So I'm here to clear all your doubts. Let's talk about it. So when you go immediately to your account in your designer dashboard, you're going to get a listing of the payment settings. So you just need to go over to the payment settings where you can add your payment details to get the payout from the Jazelle. So let me talk about that. Please note that there are the payment thresholds for each payment method and currency, and we will hold your earnings until they reach the relevant payment threshold. If your request payment that are less than those payment threshold, processing fees will apply. So there is a payment threshold for all the type of the payment they have on their platform, whether you're going for the PayPal, whether you're going for the check, whatever it is, there is a minimum threshold that you need to reach to get the payout. And if you're requesting before that, then you need to pay their processing fee. So that is an important thing to be considered over here. Now let's talk about what are the different kinds of payment method they have. The first is the PayPal and the second is the check. These two payments are there. I got the one question where people were asking me whether they can use a Payoneer. I don't see any Payoneer option onto the Jazelle. In my account, I don't see that option. If you guys see, let me know. But I don't see that Jazelle is paying the designer by the Payoneer. So the Payoneer option is not there. Only two options are there. That is a PayPal and the by check. Okay. I hope that this question has been cleared out by someone who had asked me this question. Let's talk about the PayPal and the by check. Note, for PayPal, the payment threshold is $50 for the payments in dollars to be paid automatically. If you have less than $50 balance after 1 month of sales, we will hold your funds for future use, or you may request a PayPal payment for USD. That is the processing fees. I already talked about whenever you're going to reach to $50, then you're going to pay it by the PayPal. If you are having the below that, then PayPal will going to hold your until you actually reach to the $50. And if you're requesting before that, then they're going to take processing fees. That is the $2.50 United States dollar fee. So they're going to take that much currency payment or the processing fees if you're requesting before that. The second option is the check. So for check, the payment threshold is United States $100 for payment in United States dollars to be paid automatically. We do not offer check payments in any other currency. So if you have less than United States $100 balance after 1 month of sales, we will hold your funds for future use. And if you're requesting before that, then they're gonna take $5 processing fees. So for the PayPal, the minimum threshold that you need to reach is $50, and for the check is $100. And if you're requesting before that on the PayPal, then you need to pay $2.50 United States dollar. And if you are taking the check payment before reaching to $100, then you need to pay $5 United States fees according to Jazelle. So these are the two payment methods. Now, hope so far I have cleared it out. Now let's talk about the pay information, which is amazing and it's really important for you to consider over here. Now, you can very well enter your PayPal email address where they are asking you to enter your PayPal email address, or if you want to request by check, then you can very well request by check. Like, it depends on you, whichever route you want to go with that, whether check or whether PayPal. Once you have choose the payment option, whether check or PayPal, whatever you choose it. It depends on you. If you are choosing a PayPal, like me, I choose a PayPal, then you need to enter your PayPal email address in the box where they are asking you to enter your PayPal email address. So when you go into the pay information, now they are asking you to put your pay name. Okay, all the information that you are putting over here needs to be 100% correct, guys. Don't make a mistake, because if you're gonna make any mistake while filling this pay information or W8BN form, you may not be able to receive your payment from the Jazelle, and they're gonna tell you to correct this thing, and then they'll only gonna send you the money. So make sure whatever you're filling the information in these boxes, it should be correct. And take your time and fill it. And if you see that you have made any mistake, then you can go back and correct it, but you won't be getting money from the Jazelle. You won't be getting paid until you actually make all the corrections and until your form is filled, until your pay information is filled 100% correctly. For PayPal, the information you provide must match your PayPal account. Okay, for check, the check will be paid out to the paying name and mailed to the address you provide below. So you need to provide your pay name, your company name. If you are a company, it's not compulsory. Like if you are as a business, if you are selling on a Jazelle, then obviously you need to have a company name, then the country, then the address line, then the city, and your complete address with a postal code with your phone number. So these details you need to fill up. You can very well fill up by yourself, guys. Now, one thing you need to consider, if you are being paid by check, by PayPal, and you can change your associated email or physical address after first month of any month, a payment is scheduled. To clear your payment will go to the older email or address. To avoid this from happening, you need to update your email or address before the first month of payment is scheduled to clear. So one thing over here you need to consider, if after filling the Jazelle payment information, your email address or your address have been changed, make sure you update it onto Jazelle. Otherwise, your payment will going to go back to the older address, the older email address. So make sure you update the Jazelle so that you can get your payment in the right email address and at the right time. You need to fill, I am the citizen of whichever country you are the citizen of. Then you need to tell whether you reside outside of United States, whether you reside in the United States. According to that, you need to fill the W8BEN form. Now, what is W8BEN form? W8BEN form is a tax, United States collect a tax from the people who are making the money from the United States, in the United States, but are outside the United States. I hope it makes some sense. Let me clear it for you. If you are a citizen from outside from United States, then you need to fill the W8BEN form. If you're not filling it, you wouldn't be get paid. So you need to fill it if you're outside of United States. And if you are in the United States, then you don't need to fill it. So that's okay. And very well, guys, I'm not a tax expert over here. I'm not a tax guru or tax expert. So please take my advice with a grain of salt. I'm not a tax expert. Okay, I'm just sharing my thoughts and my views to help you guys. But if you want some serious advice on the tax collections and tax everything, please contact your tax expert or tax guru who can help you with that. I'm not a tax expert, so this is a big disclaimer. If you are the United States citizen, then obviously you need to fill some different forms for your tax and all that stuff. Now I'm not gonna go in detail into that, because I'm not a tax expert and I shouldn't be qualified to talk about that. I'm only qualified to talk about how to get paid by the Jazelle. That's all I am qualified about. So if you are outside the United States, then you need to fill the W8BEN form, and you need to say that whether you are an individual or whether you are a business. According to that, you're going to receive your W8BEN form. If you're an individual, then you need to download the W8BEN form, and after downloading it, you need to fill that. Now again, guys, I'm not a tax expert here going into detail on how to fill the W8BEN form, but I'm going to tell you that if you are an individual, then you are allowed to download the form from the Jazelle. You can very well download it and can fill it. If you are a business, then they're going to lead you to some US government website. That's a tax government website where you can get the form. But talking about the individual, if you are an individual, you can download the form and you need to fill it. You need to add your own name, your address, your tax number, whatever related to your country. Then you need to fill that box where it's asking you whether your country has some sort of treaty with the United States, so that you can get some taxation in your tax rates. Like ideally they take 30% if you are an outside United States, they take the 30%. But if you have some tax treaty, so you would be having some lesser percentage, maybe 10, 15, depending on your country. You need to fill all those information. Then you need to sign it, and you need to date it on that filling the form. Like when you're filling the form, you need to provide that date, and then you need to sign the form, and then you need to send an email to the Jazl. Now they are also providing the email on this page itself. You need to click on that email, and you need to submit that form via that email. You need to send them an email, and in that email you need to place your W8B form to the Jazl, and they're gonna reply you back if they need any revision, if they need any correction in your form, and they're gonna tell you whether it's approved or not. Once it is approved, then you're good to go, and then you're getting paid from the Jazl, your tax expert, to help you with that. Another thing, you can also contact the customer support, get your question answered. You can email your form, or either you can fax it to them. They have the number on their page itself. You can fax it to them. Now another is the payment preference. Now how you gonna get paid? It's the normal, like you will be paid according to user agreement, essentially 45 days after the end of month during which your earnings exceeded the payment threshold. And the second option is specified in dollars, like how much you want to be paid, or you want your earnings to be put on hold. So that is the payment reference you want to do. This is just the overview of what you could do on getting paid out from the Jazl, because people were having a lot of the questions. You can check out the United States website. Again, I'm going to leave all the link in the description box below to help you guys fill the W8B form. Now guys, I can't help you with filling that form because I'm not a tax expert and I'm not qualified to talk about into detail. And each and every country is different, because you might be having some treaty with the United States. So according to that treaty, you need to fill that form, and it need to be 100% correct. If you are having some mistake, then Jazl will going to send you email back. We're going to tell you that you have made some mistake in the form and you need to correct it and resubmit it and all that. And until your everything is correct and you submitted it and they accept it, until then you won't be get paid. So if you are starting with the Jazl right now, I would tell you to go right now and do your payment stuff beforehand. Okay, otherwise you would be waiting for reaching to $50, and then you would be thinking to get paid and all. You might get some delay in your payment. So I'm telling you to do it right now. If you have started with the Jazl and you haven't done with the payment information, do it right now so that you would be paid on time. Hopefully this video is useful to you. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any more further doubt in the payment information on the Jazl. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.